many creators out there have different perspective of YouTube growth. And of course, in this video, I'm going to bring you 8 different myths that people out there have about YouTube growth. When you're new on this channel, please, I'm Anthoma, and on this channel, I talk about tech, YouTube growth, YouTube automation, social media growth, and everything related to this. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my respective social media platforms. So going forward, people have a lot of myths about YouTube growth. Myth number 1, post daily to grow fast on YouTube. Well, this myth has been there for some good time. Like, posting daily is okay, but posting daily with a low quality content is really not okay. So what do I encourage here? Posting daily makes YouTube flag your content as spam. Check channels that post every day and find out the number of views they get every time they post. I think it's not more than 10,000 views. They don't get more than 10,000 views, even though their channel has over 500,000 subscribers. They don't go beyond 10,000 views on every upload they upload on YouTube on a daily basis. So posting daily doesn't guarantee that your channel is going to grow fast, but posting consistently and strategically, a well-planned posting schedule helps to grow your YouTube channel way faster as compared to posting every day. Myth number 2, you need expensive gears, expensive equipment to start a YouTube channel. This is a virus to most of the people out there. They think that they do not have enough to begin a YouTube channel. Remember, I started this YouTube channel with a very small Android phone, which I used to shoot videos. I just any video that I could find, I shoot, and then I talk. But I used to get views, of course, I did not give up. Up to today here, I'm using these gadgets here, and I'm really okay. Like, since I started, I have not regretted any time. I started with the equipment that I had up to today when I had to get more money to buy other equipment that I am now using right now. So it doesn't really matter whether you have a small equipment or a very cheap equipment. It doesn't matter. YouTube content creation, what matters the most is with the content that you have. And also remember that a 4K video with a poor audio quality is way less as compared to poor quality video with a very high sound quality. So people always listen on YouTube, and most of them are not so much of interested in video related stuff, but what they listen is what they take in. So start with what you have right now and create content, create relevant content, and see how YouTube is going to push your content really quickly as compared to those people who have very expensive gadgets, the 4K cameras, the 8K cameras. Well, try it out and then you will see. Myth number 3, subscribers matter a lot. Well, this is one of the myths that I also had when I had just started creating content on YouTube. I saw a YouTube channel with over 100K subscribers and thought that, hey, I cannot really compete with this one because they've got so many subscribers on their channel. I say that no, let me just keep on creating content. But I had a video that outsmarted them. It got over 500,000 views in a period of 2 months. So I say that, hey, this was amazing because I couldn't really believe what I was seeing. I thought that maybe subscriber counts matter a lot as compared to other YouTube content strategies. So by that time, I had only 100 subscribers, and the other competitor of mine had over 100,000 subscribers. So win-win situations. The subscriber count here do not really matter. YouTube always focuses on sharing, recommending videos that are really high quality and are relatable to a particular group of people, a viewer or the viewer in intentions, and the love the viewer has for a particular niche. So if your content is really of high quality and it drives a lot of revenue to the YouTube platform, and also it drives in a lot of retention, YouTube is going to recommend it. And if it has a high retention rate plus a high watch time, YouTube is literally going to recommend it to other related viewers. So YouTube doesn't really matter, doesn't really care about subscriber count. It matters a lot about the watch time and the retention capacity of your video. Myth number 4, the algorithm is against small creators. Well, this is an excuse for small creators out there. The algorithm really doesn't come against small creators. Remember, if you do not have any subscribers on YouTube, the moment you post a video on YouTube, YouTube is going to begin doing a lot of research, targeting different kind of niche to find out different group of people that love different content. So the moment YouTube gets to a particular group of people, a particular section of people that love that particular content, YouTube is going to keep on pushing your content to that particular group of people, whereby it will encourage them to view your videos. And remember, YouTube really doesn't care about subscribers anymore. They care about the watch time. So long as your video has got a good retention capacity and a good watch time, YouTube is going to recommend it so much. And if people keep on sticking around on your video and watching to the end over a 70% retention rate, YouTube is going to recommend your video, and your video is guaranteed to be going viral, so long as it has got all those qualities of a good quality video. So it doesn't really matter whether you have so many subscribers or you don't have. Well, just create good content, and YouTube is going to do its own activity, its own purpose. It will recommend your video to the right audience. So do not mind about the subscriber count. And also, whether you're small or you're big, YouTube doesn't care, It only cares about the content you're putting out. Myth number 5, you need to cover trending topics. Well, covering trending topics is really okay, but the problem is you keep on confusing the algorithm, because you might be in tech related niche, and then there is a trending topic in sports, for example, World Cup or any other sporting event that has got a lot of audience, and then you're tempted to also jump into this trend. So you're going to create that content, and then it will go viral the other side. After going viral in the sports niche, you're going to get subscribers who are not going to help you at all on your niche related channel. So the moment you be creating videos and posting videos, this new audience that you got will be skipping, because they're not really interested in tech related content. So these trending videos, these trending topics only bring in a low retention viewers who just come in as a result of a trend that has been going, that you jumped into. And then after getting these viewers and audience from the other sports niche, it's going to really affect your channel, and your retention capacity and watch time on your channel is going to reduce so much. And this will trigger the YouTube algorithm to keep suppressing your content so that it doesn't go more. Keep getting a lot of impressions, but the CTR is very low. The click-through rate is very low. So YouTube will think that maybe your content is not good, and they will now keep on pressing it down so that it doesn't appear to much more viewers out there. So please do not jump to any other trending topic in a different niche. If it is not in your own niche, don't jump into a trending topic in a different niche. Myth number 6, going viral is equal to a long-term growth. Well, you might create a video about a particular topic, and then this video goes viral, and you get in a lot of views and subscribers from different parts of from different sections of the niches. After getting all these viewers and subscribers, this is not going to literally mean that you're going to grow as a YouTube channel. You are literally getting these viewers on a low retention capacity, whereby these viewers are not going to be here to stick, because they are not really interested in the content, the type of content that you're creating. The main reason as to why they are on your channel is because of the particular video that you created that went on trending list, that trended so much, and people were coming to your channel because of this particular video. But they're not here to stay. A viral video alone, one viral video, doesn't guarantee that it is going to give you a long-term growth. It is a lie. It's a real big myth out there. So if you've got a viral hit, please look for others, and also make sure that you're making a viral content in your particular niche. But the moment you create a viral content in a different niche out there, the viewers from different niches will not be able to click on your video the moment they see them on their browse field. They see your content on the browse feed, they'll just skip because they're not interested in that particular kind of content. Well, got it. So myth number 7, longer videos always win. This is another myth. So back then we used to hear that longer content are boosted more, but these days no. Please, when you've got a longer content of 15 minutes and it has a retention rate of 30% and a shorter content of 6 minutes with a retention rate of 70 or 80%, YouTube is literally going to push a shorter video of 6 minutes with 70 or 80% retention rate as compared to a video which is 15 minutes long and a retention rate of 30%. Because YouTube realizes that maybe people are so much interested in this shorter version of a video, and they're really liking it. They're watching over 80% as compared to the 15 minutes video that has only 30%. So don't always focus on long form content. Longer content does not guarantee that you will get much more views as compared to a person who has created a shorter content. So that's a myth, and do not fall for it. So myth number 8, thumbnails just need to look nice. Bro, this is not your profile or your album or something like that. Thumbnails do not have to just look nice. Thumbnails have to drive curiosity, and they have to be so clear that it indicates the exact reason a viewer should tap on this video and watch it, and it summarizes a video in a very shortest form. So always make sure that a thumbnail has got all that is needed to trigger the minds of a viewer into clicking the video. And the moment they click on a video, it has to be the one that a viewer is expecting. Not that a viewer is clicking on a thumbnail and something that's coming up is not what a viewer expects. So make sure that a thumbnail correlates with a video. Mostly the first 30 seconds of a video should really match exactly with what is in the thumbnail. So a thumbnail looking nice is not a guarantee that you will be getting a lot of viewers. Make a thumbnail that drives curiosity and that is clear, that is authentic, not just confusing the viewers into clicking and after that they just jump off your video, hence affecting your retention rate and your watch time. The more they click off your video is the more YouTube is also not going to recommend your content to other people. It will signalize YouTube to always suppress your videos since they have a low retention capacity. Yeah, if you've watched this video to this point of time, I think you've loved it so much, and please kindly subscribe to this channel. I remain Anthoma, and please don't forget to like, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, X, TikTok, and Facebook. Thank you. And also please watch this video.